Hello friends, I am Haricharan Venkatesh. In this video, I like to talk about real life examples of Newton's three laws of motion. Sir Isaac Newton, who lived in 1600s, defined three laws of motion to describe all state of motion. Let us start with the first law of motion. A body continues to be in a state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an external unbalanced force. In other words, the speed or velocity will not change unless an outside force acting on it. Now we can see some real life examples. This bowling ball would travel in a straight line forever, but the frictional force exerted by the floor and air or outside forces and change the velocity of the bowling ball. This is another example. When a bus starts suddenly, why the people sitting or standing inside tends to fall backwards. This is because the lower part of the body starts moving with the bus, but the upper part of the body tries to remain at rest due to inertia of rest. When a person jumping out of a moving bus, why he fall forward? This is because on jumping his feet comes to rest as it touches the ground, but his remaining body continues to move forward due to inertia of motion. Newton's second law of motion. The rate of change of momentum of an object is directly proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction of the force. And there is an equation to express the second law of motion. F equal to ma. I mean force equal to mass into acceleration. For example, think of shopping for groceries. The mass of empty shopping cart is less than a full shopping cart, so takes much less force to push the empty cart compared to pushing a cart that is filled up with stuff. Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Action and reaction forces are equal, opposite, and acting on different bodies. For example, as the boy jumps down on the trampoline pushes back in the opposite direction and causes the boy to go in the opposite direction. Here, the force applied by the boy on the trampoline is action, while the force applied by the trampoline on the boy is reaction. When a book is kept on the table, the force exerted by the book on the table is action, while the force exerted by the table on the book is reaction. I hope you understood this concept. Thank you and have a nice day.